The island's central database includes prisoner locations. We spring Maya's brother Nathan, we get the hell out.
Yes, but we cannot access the database without reactivating the island's computer network. Go flip a switch or something.
I would say it was nice to get out, but these shambling tossers are kind of spoiling the moment.
Amp unit energized. Area 1 online.
A few more apps and we'll have full access to the central database. Raptor 1, what is your status?
Strauss, any idea why a dimensional fucking breach happened right after I set your sorry asses free?
I would rather not speculate beyond saying that every plan involving you tends to turn to excrement.
While you two are busy fannying about, we're on the bloody menu out here! There goes the flavor.
Points.
Look, if you worked here, you had it coming!
I do hope that Dr. Modi has been torn to pieces by this mob.
Modi? Ravity Modi? I only know her by reputation for the sick shit she's done to people. Fuck.
I don't usually use this word, but Modi was a cold-hearted bitch.
Kaboom!
We need to identify how this outbreak happened. Any guesses?
Quantum instability. Rogue pocket dimensions. Some idiot with a particle accelerator. The possibilities are multitudinous.
Bonus points.
Your friend Maxis gave everything to save us. Now I fear we must prepare to do the same.
I know. But even after years of toughening up in this place, I'm not sure I'll ever be as strong as she was.
Tear them to pieces.
Unit activated. Online.
Good work. Dr. Modi recovered the inversion warheads.
No, she can't have my warheads.
Correct. They aren't your warheads. Technically, they are Dr. Modi's.
Max ammo.
So, Peck, what have you been up to since Requiem shut down? Snatching purses from old ladies? Terrorizing children's birthday parties?
If you must know, I spent a year recovering from the explosion and 5 more tracking this place down. Don't make me regret it.
Please stand by.
Heads should not be running around on their own. It's just not right.
Area 3 online.
Shit. Protocol dictates the hard drive gets moved during a red alert.
Maya's gonna freak out when she hears that.
Dr. Peck, we have boots on the ground who can search for the hard drive. They will find it.
Interesting. There's an encrypted file in the database written by Technical Officer Anya Tanovsky.
I was trying to fix your teeth, but I might have got a bit too far.
Quote, can be found if you're so inclined, though most will be refused.
We restored power, so is picking off fuse boxes really the best idea?
From her rigor mortised hand to yours. Sticky fingers. Another Tanovsky invention, the multiphasic resonator. Use it to find the amp munition.
That resonator plugs into the oscillation calibrator back at Tanovsky's workshop.
Usually I could figure out what comes next. Usually.
Double points.
Okay, that was an instantaneous metamorphosis. This is bad. Very bad.
When I imagined working in the field, I didn't expect it to be this icky. You backstage your welcome. Off you pop!
I could be persuaded to crack that code for the right price.
Oh, I'll be right there. Can't fucking wait. Very satisfying about chain reactions. Just what the doctor ordered.
Max armor.
Where'd you find Maya? She doesn't seem the type to buy your bullshit.
She found me. Literally saved my life in Subic Bay. I owe her. A lot.
Insta-kill. Max armor.
I don't know what's scarier. This outbreak, or Peck actually caring about someone other than himself.
Do not be fooled. People like him do not change. They simply adapt to new circumstances. He is still the same man who cast Maxis into the dark ether.
You know what they say about a fool and his money.
Double points.
Holy shit! Did anyone else see that? Cleaver! Anyone?
Ka-ching.
Show your work, or Professor
Max
will be
ammo.
angry. You cannot. You are a cheat.
Multi-phasic resonator calibrated. Target located. Loading coordinates.
About damn time. By the way, I've decrypted more Tanovsky files. Janus Global Ops developed an artificial intelligence called the Synaptic Algorithm Module. I want access. Just think of all the secrets it knows.
As it solidifies, the munition may consume some exotic energies. You will see what I mean. Remarkable. One of them appears to have dropped a plasma packet.
Bullseye!
Wow, munition just wolfed that down.
The ammunition changed state. Careful, gases can be volatile.
Good at defense. Believe me.
Fire? By fire! Ah, just make it solid.
Max ammo.
Could you get me off the sodding ground? Wow. I think there's something alive in this gem. Good thing you were dead already! Don't need hit and run added to my long list of crimes.
That artificial intelligence Tanofsky's files mentioned might be our ticket off this island. I don't know how aware it is, but if I lay on the old Peck charm with some binary sweet talk, it might just tell us what hole Richtofen crawled into.
It's all go round here.
Insta kid.
You know there's like a 50-50 chance this will kill us all, right?
It's nice. You're not hot stone massage nice. Did that?
Bonus point.
Today's special, calamari surprise.
Fortunately for us, this drive is pretty much inedible. Nothing beats a nice hot drink. Unfortunately, this was neither. One hard drive, as requested. Not exactly mint condition, I'm afraid.
According to this, you will find Nathan in the laboratory.
About time. All right, I'll unlock the observation port in his holding tank. Then he should be able to hear you.
Poor soul must be desperate to get out. I know I was. I'm sorry, this is a bit of a process. Just hold on, okay?
And the knuckle draggers who ran security must have had a failsafe to remember the keypad code.
I'm glad it's not a retinal scan, or else I'd be plucking out someone's eye.
Can't think straight. So hungry.
Okay, Maya. You ready for the family reunion?
He should really come with some sort of hazard warning. I'm so sorry, Maya.
Max ammo. It hurts. It hurts. I've got this.
Okay, I found the protocol to access the Janus AI system. I'm gonna need you to input the command via a PC in the communications room. Got it? Chop chop.
I'll fucking chop him in a minute.
Hold on to that. Who knows what it opens? Maybe wipe it off first. Shit. The island's connection to Janus HQ has been physically cut.
The network cables could be manually reconnected, in theory.
Yeah, maybe they'll get lucky and find some node connectors.
Fixing the network won't help. The outbreak hit every project Janus did. Whoever you hope to contact is already dead.
Bring back my inversion warheads or I swear I'll...
You'll do nothing. And I'd rather die than return to that island.
Not normal marine fauna.
My name is Strauss. My associates and I need urgent assistance to escape this facility.
No. This can't be happening.
You are speaking with the synaptic algorithm module. Call me Zen.
Explain yourself. Why do you sound like Agent Maxis?
Source code. Samantha sacrificed herself to save your world.
Yeah. May she, rest in peace.
I do not share her grievances. My priority is to get you all off the island.
Well, if you can hijack Modi's mini-sub, we can get back my warheads and make our getaway.
Your assistance. Everyone get... I instructed... Nice. Use it to hack the radio buoys in the deck.
Hey, genius! You plan on grabbing this gizmo or what?
And override its controls.
Move your ass, people. Modi could be halfway to Japan by now.
start, but move on before Modi is out.
I can see what you're doing, and it reeks of desperation.
In your fucking face, Modi.
Damn you!
That is the proverbial shoe. On the other foot, straight up your ass.
So, you convinced the synaptic algorithm module to assist you. Well, I have a little remote control surprise of my own. Authorization code RM75. Activate Apocalypse Protocol.
Arming self-destruct system. Commencing countdown to thermonuclear detonation.
Oh dear, I'm afraid the entire island will soon be vaporized. Sam, can you deactivate the detonators?
No, and you don't have time to reach minimum. The only option is to deactivate the manually.
That's a relief. That's the best of it all.
You took a detonator offline. How very clever. But believe me, your efforts are in vain.
I can be one determined SOB.
Your courage in the face of futility is admirable. No, really. Or is it just desperation? Oh, shit. You actually did it.
I am directing Dr. Modi's submarine to the docking area.
Splendid. The door to the docks is on the lower floor of the biolab.
Roll out the welcome wagon. Just don't damage my warheads.
experience.
Max armor.
Why do I feel like I just went the distance with a heavyweight champion?
Tear them to pieces. Max ammo. Double points.
Unless you want your limbs to become extinct, I suggest you don't let it grab hold of you.
When I was little, I loved science so much. I never imagined that it could be so good.
Kaboom!
At this point, I'd be just as happy to inject something into my eye. That's what happens when you take something close to a gunfight. In one ear, out the other.
Bonus points. Insta-kill.
Fresh, bullet-fueled madness on the way. Best of British to me, I guess.
The mucus monster has mutated. I am fearful of its new capabilities.
Why wait to see what they are? Get it dead, people!
As a biologist, my professional opinion is that we are screwed. He's done here. Never thought I'd fool one.
That's right! Crawl away and die, you rancid bastard!
Oh, if only it were that simple.
I've a feeling, right in the pit of my stomach, that he'll be back.
Normally, inflicting that much damage would be the end of it. Why won't he die?
The human will to survive is strong. And he was once human.
Insta-kill.
Earlier I thought, oh, nice to get out. Decoy thrown. Ray requesting chopper gunner.
At last, our aquatic assailant is no more.
Today must have been proposal that I believe may...
Okay, Sam. Whatever your plan is for bringing...